In today's adrenaline-pumping episode, we'll take you behind the wheel for two heart-pounding pursuits. First, follow the action as a Texas-registered Cadillac with expired tags turns a routine traffic stop into a dangerous high-speed chase. Witness the nerve-wracking maneuvers, evasive tactics, and a dramatic conclusion that uncovered more than just expired registration. Then hold on tight as we dive into the relentless pursuit of a white Chevrolet pickup. From blazing speeds to evasive swerves and even a tree-stopping finale, this chase unfolds like a real-life action movie. You'll see how quick thinking and a perfectly executed TBI brought a stolen vehicle and its reckless driver to a halt, revealing stolen property and a laundry list of charges. Buckle up for Chase Cam Central, where every moment is a front-row seat to the ultimate battle of wits, speed, and the pursuit of justice. On August 2nd, 2024, Trooper First Class Walker Morphus was performing routine patrols on U.S. Highway 167 when a silver Cadillac caught his attention. With expired Texas plates and a driver determined to avoid justice, what began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into a dangerous pursuit through winding roads and high speeds. Brace yourselves as we follow the intense, high-pressure moments when quick decisions make all the difference.
Okay.
167 north to the 19. We're on County Highway now. It's a silver Cadillac passion car out of Texas. Same 064. CFS received. Northwest we just turned on the Northwest Avenue. Speed 70, should be 237.
Are you going out of El Dorado or in El Dorado?
He just tossed a bag out, LSB Industries.
Dude.
See that that's a lot of change. TBI. Driver! Put your hands out the window! One, I got one, two at gunpoint. Passenger, hands out the window! Driver, hands, now! Both of them! Don't move, you hear me? warrant if I got somebody close so we can get these two out of this vehicle. Driver, I'm telling you, don't you put the hand back down. 38 round, you copy? If I got units close, so we'll get these two out of this vehicle.
And make a right there.
You stay put. Hey, 30. Hey, slow down a bit. We're under this hill. We're under this hill. Slow down just a bit. You said tight. Passenger, hand, now. CFS comments added. How many you got? All right. All right, passenger, stay put. Driver, open the door with your left hand. Step out, hands up. Keep your hands out, passenger. Driver, hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Step back to me. Step back to the sound of my voice. Come on. 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 I got lethal. Hands up. Don't move. Stupid. All right, Master, come on. Open the door. Come on, you're good. Open the door. Come on, you're good. All right. Face that way and walk back. Face that way and walk back to him. On you, Buck. Keep coming, hands up. Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop. Take steps to your left. Your left. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop right there. Left hand behind your back.
So I'm just the passenger.
I don't care. We don't know that right now. We treat you just the way we did with him. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Give that other hand behind your back. Same one. Gotta be careful who you ride with. How much weed's in there? Oh, you tossed it? That's cool. We'll go get it. All right, is that too tight on you?
No.
All right, I ain't trying to hurt you. Stay right there. All right, walk over to there to that officer right there and do exactly as he says. Yep. All right. Did you answer him? 15 times 2, fall asleep. Good there. Where did they toss it at? I was... that plant up there. The LSD.
Yeah. What is that plant?
LSD something. Hey, what'd you toss? We're gonna find it. Pause.
Before you self-incriminate yourself,
Read us right.
silently.
I'm gonna go ahead and start looking. Is that you? Yeah. Okay.
What started as a simple expired registration unfolded into a wild chase, testing both skill and patience. Through every sharp turn and evasive move, the persistence of law enforcement prevailed, bringing the chase to a safe conclusion. This pursuit is a powerful reminder of the risks officers face every day to maintain order on our roads. On October 30th, 2024, in the dead of night, Trooper Alex Bratton spotted a white Chevrolet pickup with no visible license plate barreling down State Highway 5. What started as a routine patrol escalated into a heart-stopping high-speed pursuit when the driver, later identified as Harry Edgar Nethercutt, decided to run. Swerving at breakneck speeds, ignoring stop signs, and even attempting to evade capture with dangerous maneuvers, the chase became a battle of skill and determination. Get ready for a story of tactical precision and unrelenting law enforcement.
That's going to be 1063 for 1077 round 54.
Drive down the middle of the road. I can't see behind right now. Passing Purnell Road, 90 miles an hour. Checked me. I tried to TBI. I slid down the side. We're still westbound, about 60 miles an hour. Going west Justice from Old Highway 5. TBI.
Show your hands! Show your hands! Show your hands! Turn the truck up! I'll blow your fucking brains out! I will blow your fucking brains out! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up now! Step out! Get out! If you try to run, I swear to God, I'll put a bullet through your fucking head.
I'm not gonna run from you. I can't open the door. You want me to climb out?
Yes! And get on the fucking ground.
Hey. I love you, baby. You okay? I love you. Bro.
Lay down on the ground.
Hey, this was...
Lay down on the ground. I don't want to hear it.
Can I speak to you?
No!
Hey, she didn't have no idea about nothing, man. You hear me?
I'm 10:15 with the driver. I still got to get the passenger out.
Hey, and everything in the truck.
Stand up.
You hear me, sir?
Stand up.
I'm trying to get up, man.
Okay.
I'm sorry you had to do all that. She had no
Lay
idea.
down on the ground right here. Lay down.
All right. Oh. Hey, she had no idea about none of that, bro.
Step out. Step out.
Baby, come on. Do what he said.
Turn around, face the truck.
She didn't know I was gonna run or none of that, man.
10:15 times 10:15 times 2, clear the net. You have any weapons on you?
I love you, Amy. I'm sorry.
.54-10. We're West Justice, just west of Old Highway 5. What's in your pocket? Huh? Roll my way. Put your legs under you. Put your legs under you, like you're gonna stand up. Come over here. You know that was real dumb?
I'm sorry. You know that was a trooper at the damn 5 and 89. That wasn't damn city police.
I didn't know, man. I didn't know.
I know you looked right at me.
I didn't see you. And I'm sorry you had to do all that. I really am. Make sure I get my phone and stuff. Just whenever I'm sorry about your car, I know they're going to charge me. I've been in prison 8 times. I just didn't want to go back.
This wild pursuit came to a dramatic end when Trooper Bratton executed a perfectly timed tactical vehicle intervention, bringing the truck to a halt and ensuring everyone's safety. The driver, caught with stolen property and a laundry list of charges, learned the hard way that running from the law only makes things worse. These moments remind us of the risks and dedication of our law enforcement officers. Thank you for watching this thrilling episode of Chase Cam Central. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more edge-of-your-seat police chases. Stay safe, respect the rules of the road, and we'll see you next time.